In today's video I will show you the way on how you can fix the camera for Snapchat. First of all, make sure that your default camera app is actually working properly, because when there is an issue with a default camera or your hardware itself, there's no way you could fix it only for Snapchat. Second thing is that open up phone settings. Once we open up settings, we'll go to apps. Here search for Snapchat and click on that. Go to storage. And we will clear the cache. And then come back. Go to permissions. Over here select the option called camera. And over here you want to make sure that it is set to allow. That could be one of the reasons why it wasn't working. So now go ahead and verify if your camera is working. If it's still not working, uninstall the Snapchat app and install it again.